Okay, I got to turn around, so therefore I've just got to wander around my way. That's better, I think. I think my navigation's not really telling me much. It says it's 6 minutes away, but yeah, not bloody working properly. But watch, nobody's turning. Now, the only reason why I'm getting a gold shop, changing money, I have a 1 or 2 million Vietnamese dong on me, which normally, which is heaps of money. However, if I do get pulled up by the police, I might have to pay them 1 million, for example, as a bribe, because our Australian driver's license doesn't work this way. Recenter. I'm just going to go straight ahead. On the opposite side of the road, it's cool. Look at this. He's saving petrol, look, or he's being pushed by the other guy. That's so cool. Okay. My navigation is shit. It's not telling me where my gold place is. So I'll have to pull over and try and sort that out. In the meantime, I suppose we'll just drive around. Xin chào. Okay. Alright. Some people aren't gonna stop. Because I had my blinker on, probably. It's what threw him off. Okay, so we have, I think I go right here, yep, okay. So we got a red light. But normally you can just go round when it's red anyhow. I'm pretty sure that's the case. We'll just do that anyhow. It's red light. Foreigner always wins. So as you can see, they just, it doesn't matter. Okay, this is the gold shop here. Right, so here I am here. Pull up here. Hello, money change? Money? Next door. Up here, this one. Thank you. Xin chào. Here, money change? No? Down here. Ah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Money change? Money change? Yeah. Thank you. $500 Australian. Oh, 1.5. Okay. Yep. 7685. So 1,500. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, and 8, yes. 5, 6, 8, yes. 85. Thank you very much. Oi.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you'll notice that there's no ID needed. And the gold everywhere. It's like crazy. Wait, I'll do a little video of this gold. Vietnamese gold shop. It's a lot. Thank you.